How to find your favorite artists on Deezer mobile. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to find your favorite artists on Deezer mobile. First then open Deezer and then just click here this settings icon here in the top corner, and now just click this one. Not here you will find favorites, click on it. And here you will find it artists, just click on it, and as you see here you will find your favorite artists on Deezer, and that's how to find it. And that's it for today's video. Don't forget like and don't forget subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end and see you in the next video.